Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for joining me. Now today I'm super excited. I get to share with you the unboxing of the Spellbinders card kit of the month for October 2019. We are going to get a head start on our Christmas cards. For sure this month. My goodness, I love Christmas time, and so this kit was super exciting. We're going to take a look at everything that's in this month's kit. It's called Sparkling Holidays, and I just love that. So this is your cover sheet. You get 3 inspirational projects on the front along with the contents. And then on the reverse side, you get a step-by-step project tutorial to create that cute little owl card. I always call these my recipe cards. Okay, we're going to take a look at the cardstock. It kind of shows the color palette. You get 8 sheets. They're 8.5 by 11. You get a crafty gold, brown, white, pink, 2 shades of pink actually, a blue, and I'm out of order. You get the lavender, the gray, and then the forest green here. Okay, then you also get a specialty cardstock sheet that's silver mirror, and it's double-sided, which makes that great. Okay, so that's your color palette, and I just love it. I love the non-traditional color palette. And if you do like a traditional color palette, I'll link the special edition kit at the end of the video, if they still have them, because I'm pretty sure that one probably is going to go fast. But if you are a card kit of the month subscriber, you're going to love this also. So here is your paper pad. You get 20 sheets, 2 of each pattern. Some of them have silver foil detail on there, and they coordinate with your cardstock beautifully, and also your die cut pack. Beautiful soft colors. I love the purples and the pinks and the blues. Just think it's so fun. Some florals, a little night sky background, some snowflakes. Beautiful patterns. This one here is nice because you can just trim it and you have an instant card. It's so pretty. You also get some bears, which are great for masculine cards. This is a beautiful marble pattern. It has that silver foiled accent, some leaves, just a lot of fun and variety different pattern papers here. I love the wood grain and the sweater pattern. I couldn't talk for a minute, but you get 2 sheets of each, 40 in total, and that is the Sparkling Holiday 6x6 paper pad. You get your 10 card bases and your 10 envelopes. These are pre-scored and folded for you, and they're A2 in size. And I love that Spellbinders includes this in their kit. Makes it easy. Okay, next up we have our stamp set, which are block letters, and they're nice because you can customize personalized sentiments for the inside or outside of the card. Then you also get the little pine needle and a little berry cluster. Now we're going to take a look at this month's dies, and I was super excited about these. These are sentiment dies, and then you get a poinsettia also. But I'm going to take the silver mirror cardstock here and die cut out the sentiments and the poinsettia to share with you what they look like. This is the Merry, and then of course you have the Christmas to go with it. You know what I love is the dot of the eye in Christmas is connected. You won't lose it. It comes out in one piece, which is so nice. Little things like that make a difference for me because I lose the eyes all the time, or the dots of the eyes. This is your holiday, and that eye is attached to, which is lovely. And then you get the cheer, and you can also interchange them. So you can put Christmas cheer or holiday cheer, whatever tickles your fancy. You get the berries and the same die that's connected to this beautiful poinsettia, and you can see the embossed detail on there. It's just gorgeous. You also get a leaf, which makes it really nice. And then you also get the pine needle branch, which you can add the berries to, or you can use the berries for the center of your poinsettia. But it's a lovely option to have for your holiday card making projects. So those are your dies this month. So you get 6 in total, which makes it really nice. Lovely. And we'll probably use those on our card projects. Okay, next up we get a 3-pack of stickers. The first layer here, we're going to open them up, but the first layer is 3D dimensional stickers with foam adhesive layers And I think you get 4 stickers in this one. It's just real pretty. And there's foil detail on these also. These make card making really easy, especially if you like dimension like I do. The second sheet has some sentiment strips, and it also has some star borders that are connected. These 3 layers are all connected. I'm sorry about the glare. It's between the plastic and the foiling that I couldn't get a good view. And then you get this last sheet that has some labels and some sentiments also. So you get all 3 of those. Then you also get some gems, and these come in some different sizes, and you get a clear and a blue, and they are beautiful. The facets in these are like diamonds. They're so pretty. And I love the itty bitty teeny tiny ones too, which are really nice. Those will go perfect inside your poinsettia flower. Okay, now are you ready for the die cut pack? The images in here get me so excited because I love creating projects with this. So we're gonna go, I sped it up really fast, but this has glitter on it, and you would think it was shed, but it doesn't shed, but it looks very sparkly and glittery, which is really nice. And some of the elements in the die cut pack have that same glitter effect to them. You get 2 of each, and sentiment strips and reindeers, and these are nice little ornaments that have the little hole at the top that you can hang along with this little ornament. It's pine cone shaped. Look how pretty these are. I was so excited about these. Well, I love Christmas anyway. While I'm going through this, I do want to let you guys know that I'll be making 10 cards with this kit. Now, I've mentioned this before, that Spellbinders kits are really nice because it has everything you need to create some fun projects. Well, I'm actually going to put that to the test. I'm going on a little holiday, and I'm going to take this card kit with me, and so I think it's going to be super fun. I'm actually going to take 2 of the Spellbinders kits with me to make my projects, and so I'll shoot some extra footage on where I'm going, and so keep a lookout for that video. And then I'm going to try and put some sneak peeks of where I went on my Instagram page, so check that out. But that's this month's card kit, guys. It has the adhesive roll and the foam squares, of course, but keep a lookout for my 10 cards. That will be coming soon. I wish you a lovely day. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're interested in the kit, I'll link it down below in the description area. It's a great value for everything that you get. But thanks so much for joining me. I will see you again real soon with the 10 card one kit video. I'm not sure when I'm going to do it. It's not going to be right after this one, but it will be within a few days of this video. So keep a lookout for that. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.